Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Stephen Adetolu and I'm a 9 to 5er. I have a 9 to 5, but on this YouTube channel, I show you my journey, how I've been able to augment my salary by working on the internet, by being a speaker, as well as being a coach. I'm a Maxwell Leadership Certified Coach. So today I'll be taking you through one of the affiliate networks that has really helped to boost my income. Skatecut. Okay, Skatecut, SKATECUT.com. One of the best in Africa, and I'll tell you, it is one of the best because it is absolutely free, unlike some other affiliate networks out there where you have to pay to have access to products and making money online. So Skatecut has just released one of the finest university tutorial that I have seen. I have bought into it and I enjoy the steps. It highlights about 8 steps, okay, to making your first $50 online. I mean, if you've been trying hard to earn money online, you've tried affiliate marketing and any other business model on the internet, but yet to make money, then I bet you this is the one of the best. Okay, this is one of the best products that I will advise you to subscribe to. Okay, it highlights processes such as finding the right niche, driving traffic, building funnels. I mean, plus a whole lot, and it is ridiculously cheap compared to the value that you are going to derive from it. It has just been released, and which is why I am making this video to uh to uh to people like you who are watching, so that you could be among the first persons who would take advantage of this course. I will be leaving the description of this course in the in this video. Okay, the link to this course in the video, in the description of this video, and I want you to go there right now and get this course. It is absolutely superb. This is for people who have been struggling, and if you think you're a pro and you still need, of course, knowledge is updated from time to time, especially as it has to do with the internet. Please, I advise you, okay, to try this course. Okay, it is one of the best in recent time, and also it has just been released. Okay, it talks about the first, okay, making your first $50 online. Okay, if you're a beginner, trust me, this is one of the best that I will recommend to a beginner, because it gives you the step-by-step, okay, process or approach to making your first $50 online by Skatecut University. So please take advantage of this and boost your income. Like I said, I'm a 9 to 5er, but affiliate marketing is one of the business model that I have adapted online that is really boosting my income. And I hope that you will embrace this opportunity. Just go to the description of this video and you would find the link. Okay, I'll be seeing you in subsequent videos where I speak about my journey, especially in business, in personal growth, in spirituality, the totality of me, and how I've been able to live, okay, to my full potential, and how you can also learn or lean from my experiences and also lead your your glorious life. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Please, if this is your first time watching my video, endeavor to subscribe, and thank you in advance. Cheers.